Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the small function in Excel. The small function allows you to find the nth smallest value within a dataset. This is useful when you need to locate the lowest values in a range, such as identifying the lowest sales figures, smallest expenses, or shortest times. Like its counterpart large, the small function is a great tool for data analysis, letting you focus on the least or smallest values in any range. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the small function means. Array. This is the range of values you want to evaluate, like a list of scores, sales figures, or other numbers. K. This specifies the rank of the value you want to return. For instance, k equals 1 will give you the smallest value, k equals 2 will give you the second smallest value, and so on. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of sales figures in cells A1 to A7, and you want to find the smallest values. To find the smallest sales value, enter the formula listed below in cell B1. Let's break down the formula. Array A1 through A7 is the range of sales values. K1 specifies that you want the smallest value in the list. Excel will return 1500, the smallest value in this range. To find the second and third smallest values, simply adjust K to 2 and 3. Second smallest, which returns 2300. Third smallest, which returns 2700. Now, imagine you have a list of exam scores and you want to find the lowest score to see who may need extra help. To find the lowest score, use the formula listed below. This formula will return 75, the lowest score. By adjusting K, you can find the next lowest scores in the list, helping you identify the lowest performers. The small function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Sales analysis. Find the smallest sales values in a dataset to identify low-performing products or regions. Performance tracking. Use small to identify the lowest scores, times, or metrics in a dataset. Financial management. Determine the smallest expenses in a budget for cost-saving insights.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.